I'm just climbing up to this high point. This is a good area for peregrine falcons, and I'm going to try and see if we can find some. A little bone. See, it looks like a part of a skull bone of either a meadow vole or a lemming. Lots of predators like raptors, such as peregrines or rough-legged hawks, would bring things up on high points to eat them. So sometimes if you look around, you can find things like this little bone here, or here's part of a skull. I'm guessing that this might be from an Arctic hare or something like that, which would mean that there's definitely a big raptor that's eating things up here, like maybe a golden eagle. Well, there's lots of little bits and pieces.